When it comes down to the kickoff account, you do not have to spend it or use it every month. Like, it's a credit account. You just buy one thing or you have their membership and then they just automatically charge you every month. Do not pay that balance off right away. Let them just take a small amount each month. If it's $2, $3, $4 each month, do not think, oh, let me just pay off the thing right away. Because the thing is, you want the report to the credit bureaus. They not charge you any extra interest or anything like that or any additional fees. So let them take off a little amount every month. And when it come down to all other credit cards, you are not required to use your credit card every month. I do suggest that you use your credit cards at least once every 6 months, because if you guys do not use your credit cards often, they're probably going to close your credit cards account due to inactivity. And you don't want that to happen, because now you have a credit limit that's no longer going to be included in your utilization, which can lower your credit score. So I do suggest once every 6 months using it. And with that kickoff account, just make sure that they're continuing to report by buying something with, like, in their store.